So you can see our website is pretty well built out. This is very impressive, I think. I'm going to change the name of it and stuff like that. I should have put that in my original prompt, but let's say we want to view this as a user. So I'm going to say act as a user. Now we're interacting with it, as you can see here. You can see we've got different pages, the calculator and the shop one, but let's say try jet lag calculator. Sure enough, that button works. It brings us over to the calculator. We can select our home airport. Oh, actually, that's very impressive. It has all of them. So let's see if it has Philadelphia. It doesn't have that. So it doesn't have all the airports. I might need to, that's something we will have to edit, but let's say JFK, and let's see if I'm going to Tokyo. I want to go to, yeah, okay, that's correct. Typical sleep window, yeah, 7 a.m. Okay, so this is, I want to make this editable for both sleep times, you know, the sleep and wake time, I mean. But let's say 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. outbound flight. Let's say maybe it's going to be on a Sunday, and I'm departing at like 8 a.m. It doesn't have my arrival, so we have to add that as well. And I can toggle these on. Say my way home is going to be Friday, and departure time for this. Okay, let's just say generate plan, see what it's able to do. I recommend going through all of this, just kind of get an idea of what it's doing. It has an estimate of how long the flight, actually this is quite accurate. It is almost a 16-hour flight. That's very impressive, but you might have different layovers, so it might not be perfect here. Okay, so your flight plan, it tells me when I should sleep and when I should be awake. And the times though, it tells me, I think this is just JFK time. Yes, I can hover over it and I can see both. It tells me when I should wear blue light glasses, when I should be drinking caffeine, when I should be sleeping. All right, and then down here, daily protocols. This is actually quite nice. It tells me when to take melatonin, when I should be going to bed, or when I should be wearing blue light glasses and drinking caffeine. This is really close. I actually really like the way this looks. This is better than most tools out there on the market right now. And of course, we also have the shop button here. So we've got our blue light glasses. We can edit these and kind of choose the, you know, what products are going to be listed